guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy to announce, like I said in the last video, 2 videos a week now. So I'm here at spot number 2. We're gonna see what we can get at spot number 1, and let's get to it, you guys. Also, a quick visit from my buddy Turbo Kitchen. He's over there, just coming over to say hi, so we'll say hi to him. Well, hey, dude, look who it is. It's Turbo Kitchen, you guys.
How's it going, guys?
Remember him from the 935 video? So I'll put a link to his channel in the description. So you just broke 400.
Yeah, I'm almost at, like, I think 530, I don't even know.
What?
Yeah, I broke 500, so, you know.
Oh, 500.
So, you know, hopefully by the end of the year I can get to that 1,000 mark. But
dude, we'll get you there. We'll get you there, man.
Just gotta keep grinding, doing videos, and, you know.
I broke 500 on Instagram, but I'm still waiting. I'm at 360 on YouTube.
Yeah, you'll get there.
Okay, dude, we'll put a link to his description in the chat, link to his channel in the description. We'll get back to it. So, yeah, dude, 2 videos a week now. You guys enjoy. We'll see what we can get. Okay, guys, spot number 1, Taylane's Aventador S. Gonna have him shooting flames later on for Yassine's Aventador S. We got a McLaren up there. So let's see what comes by spot number 1, you guys. Oh. Chopping trees.
Anytime I sit in my friend's Mercedes or Jags, I'm like, well, damn.
Yeah, it's funny because literally I'm just cruising and everyone's just driving by, but like I'm just like I'm chilling.
Dude, it's fucking cool.
Nice.
But I wanted to get, like, I'm looking to get the R.
Want to use a couple, okay?
Oh, that's it.
Nice. That's you guys were in my shot the whole time. Nice. Oh, and the blue spider. Sick. Sick. Nice. Nice. Sick spec. Yes. Look at this. I love this. Yeah, 570 GT. R8 Spider. Nice. V10. Oh, so nice. Back for another round. Sick. Two black Huracans. Sick. Sailing. Sick. Coming back for another roll. Sick. You guys, blocked by the Range Rover. Evora, dude. Dude, those things. SLR. Watch finder, yes! Oh my god. Look at the spec on this Urus. Look at this spec. New C8, you guys. guys know I got to sit and start and rev this Pirelli edition 1 of 100 Lamborghini Aventador. Bonkers. I can't believe this. Big huge thank you to Sean for letting me doing that. Watch Finder. I'll put a link to his watch store in description. So let's get some B-roll of Sean's Pirelli edition Aventador. It's looking clean. I'll put a link to the video where I got to start and rev it in the description. So let's get this going, you guys. Peace. Okay guys, another video done. Saw so much insane stuff. How sick is the car season getting? I'm dead to the world tired. I'm in so much pain and I still have to make dinner, so but I just want to thank you guys for the support. Please like, share, and subscribe. All the support helps. Remember, I have merch, t-shirts, hats, and now posters. If there's a car on my channel you like, you want a poster made of it, just DM me on Instagram and I'll make a poster for you. So like I said, you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Please go check out my buddy Turbo Kitchen's channel. Put a link to his channel in the description. And thanks for the support, you guys. See you in the next video.